Hi everyone, I'm gonna do my unboxing. This is the M3 camera, Canon camera, and I'll show you. I decided to get the M3 with two lenses, the lens 15 to 45 millimeters and 22 millimeters. I think that I want this 22 millimeters for being here, recording here, because it has a very good lighting, and I saw that in another video. And this one for outside, when I go and I want to take landscape pictures, I think that is going to be a good option, or maybe videos too. It says here Canon EOS M3 22 kit, and you can see here it has the options: 24 megapixels, hybrid, and all these things that I don't understand perfectly because I'm not an expert in photography. I just wanted to get this to start making videos and taking more pictures because I always wanted a digital camera, and I never had the option. Oh, it has Wi-Fi, HDMI, I don't know, it looks pretty cool. I bought it in Japan. I'm sorry, I bought it, not I brought it. And here is, let's open it. So here are some instructions. It looks that everything is in Japanese because I bought this as a Japanese version. Disc and instructions. By the way, I opened this before because I wanted to see what it had, and I wanted to make it easier. And when I was in half of the way, I decided to take a video. These are the instructions. You can see it came in this box. These are the instructions. All the instructions are in Japanese, and when I bought it, I got it on eBay. It said that it was going to be in Japanese, but I didn't care. I really wanted this camera. You can find the instructions in Google. Here are more instructions. Welcome sheet. Oh, look at that. It says something there. So pretty. This is so cute. I love Japan, and this is pretty cute. And you can see this is like I saw that this is like a school. EOS canon.gp/EOS hyphen school. Maybe I'll go there later. Right now I want just to open the camera. Oh, some kind. Looks like a box. Okay. This is the charger. You can see it. It says Canon charge full battery. You can see, even though I bought it from Japan, it has the same type of plug that we have here, or connection. I don't know how do you say that in Spanish, in English. Sorry, because I'm not an English speaker fully. Oh my god, I'll save this one at the end. Let's see the lenses. So it looks like this is the 22. I don't know, I'm seeing as you for the first time. In fact, I'm seeing for the first time through my camera, my iPad, because I'm recording this with my iPad. It looked like it was a little bit open or something. Oh wow. You can see here. Here is the lens. Pretty, very pretty. 2. Wow, it's very pretty. And well, you'll see. So it's a surprise for you and for me. So here's the camera. I always love to do reviews, but I think that this is cooler because sometimes I really want to know about something before I buy it, and sometimes this is the only way. It looks like this is the 35, 40, 30, I don't remember. Oh, this was open. I'm gonna close it. 1545 millimeters. You can see this is the side that goes attached to the camera, to the body, and this is the other side. Wow, this is so cool. Beautiful. Okay, this is one lens. I'm not an expert, so I can't describe absolutely everything. I'm gonna learn on the way of using it, so probably I'll let you know my reviews. Even though I'm very happy, like I dream with this camera. It has a strap, a Canon strap. I saw that it had this. Wow. You can see it says Canon, made in China. Canon, beautiful. USB cable with a micro USB. Okay, I suppose that this is for the charger or for plugging in your camera. Okay, you can see there. You can see the reflection. I'm recording with my iPad. It's pretty cool. Okay, so you can see the disc. Oh, this is the HDMI connection. Let's open it. Wow, pretty cool. Okay, 0E functions, I think. Oh, this is the flash. Here I think that you can plug in a flash, or I have seen microphones plug in. This is where the lens goes, and I don't know what is this for. Here's the digital mic. You can plug it in here. Oh, it has the battery inside. It's missing the SD. It has I don't remember how do you say that word. Oh, here it is, how you open it. Wow, this is pretty cool. This is one of the things that I was looking the most for. I really wanted to be able to see the display or monitor in different angles, and wow, look at that. We're gonna be able to take selfies and videos. This is pretty cool. So I think that basically this is it. Oh, it's pretty cool. Let's open this. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. Let's try to turn it on. I think that is here. charge the battery. Okay, so this is the camera. I'll put all the stuff that I got here. These are all the things. Okay, it was a pleasure to show you the unboxing. I hope that you enjoy. If you have any comments, leave it down, and see you in the next video. Bye.